Welcome to day 6 of how to rewire your brain for happiness. Today we're doing something that most people avoid, looking ourselves in the eye. This is called the mirror confrontation. You see, the brain has what are called mirror neurons. They fire not just when we do something, but when we see it. That means your reflection isn't passive, it's data. So every time you look in the mirror, your brain scans your face and pulls up every stored belief it's attached to that image. Maybe it says, I'm tired, I'm aging, I'm not enough, I'm doing my best. Whatever you've repeated the most becomes the default association. For most people, that reflection has been programmed through years of criticism, comparison, and survival. You look at yourself and your brain sees judgment, but not truth. So here's what neuroscience tells us. You can retrain the way your brain sees your face. You can literally create new associations between your reflection and empowerment, safety, love, and pride. All right, so what's really happening? When you connect with your own gaze, you're activating the same neural circuits involved in empathy, connection, and recognition. Your brain doesn't know if it's looking at you or someone else. It just reads the emotion that you project. So when you look at yourself with softness, strength, or pride, you're rewiring the feedback loop that defines self-worth. All right, so today's practice. We're going to see, speak, and seal. So step 1, see. I want you to stand in front of the mirror and hold your own gaze for 60 seconds. No filters, no adjustments, no fake smile. Just breathe and notice what emotions rise up. Is it tension, sadness, discomfort? Does it give you peace? Whatever comes up is information, not failure. So step 2, speak. You're gonna say out loud, I see you. You've made it through so much, and I've got you. Then add one truth that your future self would say back. Maybe we're becoming everything we said we would. Hey, peace looks good on you. Your tone and words will anchor new neural associations between self-image and safety. So now step 3, we're gonna seal it. You're gonna end with a physical cue. Maybe it's a hand over your heart, or give yourself a high five. Yes, right in the mirror. This movement pairs the affirmation with input, strengthening the neural link between emotions and embodiment. All right, so our evening integration. Before bed, look in the mirror again, even if it's just briefly, and whisper one word that defines who you are becoming. Grounded, free, powerful, calm. This single word becomes your brain's final message before you go to sleep, and your subconscious will replay it all night long. So this work, it can be very comfortable at first, especially when you look yourself in your eyes. But the day you can look at your reflection and feel peace instead of judgment, you've officially started living from your new wiring. All right, so that's day 6. Don't just see yourself. I want you to meet yourself. You're becoming who you were meant to be. All right, I'll see you on day 7.